When you load up the app in your browser, the first thing you need to do is log in, because in order to access any data within the app, you need to be logged in. We don't allow anonymous users to access anything. So you enter your email address and your password, and you hit the login button. And this takes you to the main dashboard of the utility software. Now, on the main dashboard here, you'll see a summary of various sections of your organization, and then you can do things like quick searching a customer. Of course, when you have more customers, this will give more clarity. And you're able to click on record. So if we click on a customer name, it'll take us to the customer's profile. Navigating the app is done through the menu at the top here. So you have groups of menus. If I click on the connections group, here I'll see various menu items that are related to connections. So connections, map, meter reading, disconnection list, street lamps, and that type of thing. Other revenues, you'll see payments, discounts, other revenues, capital jobs. You have a section that allows you to add different system configuration options, and we'll go through this in later videos, transformers, reports, and so on. Now, when you go to information page, so let's click on the menu item for connections. This here we call a listing page, where we're seeing a list of a specific type of data. So in this case, we're seeing a list of connections. And on this page, you can search and filter the data. So let's say, we wanted to find somebody who is at address at lot 855. You can type that, and you'll see the records come up that match what address. And of course, you can filter by connection type, transformer, area, and so on. From this page, you're also able to add a new record. So if I click the plus button, it takes you to the form, allowing you to add a new record. And we also have the option to import records in the system, and we'll go through that later. Now, further to that, if you wanted to view more information on a specific record, you can click on the edit icon here, and that'll take you to the view page where you can view all information about this specific record. So here you'll see for the connection for Satish at the address, you see all the payments that Satish would have made, all the meter readings that would have been done for this connection, and so on. Now, coming back to the connections listing page, you can also sort and search data here. So let's say, again, this applies more when you have hundreds or even thousands of records. If we click here, you'll see it's 56 and then 25. So if we click sort, it sorts in ascending order. And then if we sort again, it sorts again in the opposite order. So similarly, customer name, address, most of the columns where you see this little arrow, you're able to sort the information. So this is how you navigate the system. In future videos, we'll go through all of the specific features, but I wanted to share a little bit of detail on how you navigate the system. Of course, when you're finished using the software, you want to ensure that you log out, because every action that is performed in the system is recorded. So you want to ensure that no one uses your account. So as an example, if we look at this connection here, there's an audit log section where we'll see that, hey, admin updated the lot number, the area, and the transformer ID of this connection on November 21st at 4:38 p.m. So everything is tracked within the system. So once you're finished, ensure you click on your name at the top and hit log out so that you're logged out from the software.